In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password for 25. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply wish to update it for enhanced security, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Yahoo Sign In page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address https login yahoo.com https login sa Yahoo. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll see a field asking for your Yahoo email address. Carefully enter your full email address here and click the Next button to proceed. Now you'll find yourself on the password entry screen, but don't worry if you've forgotten it. Just below where you typically enter your password, there's an option that says Forgotten Password. Click on that link to start the process of resetting your password. Next, Yahoo needs to verify your identity to ensure it's really you trying to access the account. The methods Yahoo uses can vary depending on what you've set up in your account settings. You might get a text message verification where a code is sent directly to your registered phone number. Alternatively, you could receive an email verification through your recovery email address or even be asked security questions that you've previously set up. Once you receive the verification code, enter it promptly into the space provided and click Verify to move forward. Having confirmed your identity, it's now time to create a new password. Yahoo will prompt you with a field where you can enter your new password. When crafting this password, be sure to make it strong and secure by using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This variety not only makes it more robust against unauthorized access, but also aligns with best practices for online security. After you've entered a solid new password, click the Continue button to save your changes. Upon successfully creating a new password, you'll see a message letting you know that your password has been successfully reset. With this new password, you can now log into your Yahoo Mail and access any other Yahoo services seamlessly. Here's a helpful tip for maintaining the security of your account. Consider enabling two-step verification in your Yahoo account settings. This feature adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of identification in addition to your password, keeping your account more secure as you navigate the online world in 2025. And there you have it, a secure and straightforward way to reset your Yahoo email password. Thank you for joining us and stay safe online.